With regard to rounding backgrounds, either for images or for text that you have highlighted by putting a background behind it, here's the process. You want to click on the background you're looking to change. You go up to where these three lines are, which is border style. You want to put a weight on the border. It's still square, as you can see. However, this is where you remove those edges, maybe make it a little bit bigger. Uh, and by the way, you can change the color if you want to. I have it kind of uh, I don't know what color that is, but let's go for red. However, you can go to the color selector and choose any color you want. I mean, it could be that color, which looks a little bit off, doesn't quite match. So let's go back up here. I like this color, highlights it, but it's not hog wild and pig crazy. So I hope that helps you, and hope you have a beautiful 2024 and prosperous beyond all knowing.